India's notorious National Investigation Agency has attached the property of detained Syed Ahmad Shakil, the son of Chairman of Muttahida Jihad Council Syed Salahuddin in Srinagar. The NIA has issued a notice reading that property located in Srinagar under the ownership of Syed Ahmad Shakil, the son of prominent Mujahideen commander Syed Salahuddin, under Black Law, the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, by the order of Special NIA Court, New Delhi, India. Senior jailed All-Party Hurriyat Conference leader Shabir Ahmed Shah has strongly condemned the gross human rights violations by the Indian brutal forces in occupied Jammu and Kashmir and urged the United Nations, European Council and rest of the civilized world to take India to task for being involved in war crimes in the territory. Shabir Ahmed Shah, in a message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, while demanding the Kashmiris' right to self-determination, said that the people of Jammu and Kashmir's resolve for freedom could not be weakened through arrests and harassment. Indian troops arrested over 30 civilians, including women, during the continued cordon and search operations, which entered its fifth day today in Poonch, Rajouri and Reasi districts. Indian Army and paramilitary forces launched the massive operation on Thursday after an attack on an Indian Army vehicle, which killed 5 Indian troops of Rashtriya Rifles in Bhattaduriya in Poonch. Around 30 people have been detained for questioning. People hoisted the green flag with crescent in Bhadarwa, Doda and Ramban districts of Jammu region on Eid Day, with a renewed pledge to continue the Kashmir freedom struggle. According to Kashmir Media Service, people on the occasion offered a collective prayer for the liberation of their motherland from the brutal clutches of tyrant India. A youth has gone missing in Udhampur district. The youth, identified as Muhammad Farooq 20, who left home in the morning of April 22nd in Bashat area, did not return home. At least 3 persons died in separate road accidents in Jammu region. After the accidents, the victims were rushed to CHC Katra, where the doctors declared them dead. A major fire broke out in Samba's Industrial Growth Center in Jammu region, destroying goods worth of million rupees. The incident was first noticed by a factory worker who saw smoke rising from the second floor of the building. Later, the locals called for help from the fire tenders. More than 500,000 members of the Sikh community carrying Khalistan flags gathered in Surrey, Canada for Vaisakhi parade. Vaisakhi celebrates the creation of the Order of the Khalsa in 1699, a defining moment in Sikh history that gave the Sikh faith its final form.